Today we're going to make fire starters out of an egg carton. We'll need a tin can to melt down our candles with. We'll need a pan of water, which we're going to boil, and we'll need some dryer lint. Optionally, if you have some sawdust or some wood chips, more than this, obviously, you can add that in. It works great. These things work great. They burn for 10 or 15 minutes, so even if you have damp wood, these starters will really help it to take off and get that fire burning. Let's get started. First, we'll get this water boiling. And while the water's boiling, we'll go ahead and put some of the candles into this soup can and into the boiling water. And while the water's boiling, let's put some dryer lint in the compartments of this egg carton. I've been saving this up for months. It's a good reuse of it. It's a great way to start a fire. This is really just a medium to hold the paraffin from the candles, which is really what burns, so don't worry about the quantity of dryer lint too much. If you have more, use more. If you have some sawdust or some wood shavings you've collected, that's a great addition to this. I have some from my belt sander, so we're going to add this in. And add water as needed. You only need an inch or two in there. Add candles to the soup can. Eventually you'll want it to be at least 2/3 full once everything is melted down. And now the wax is clear all the way through. I can see those candle wicks on the bottom. And now with the help of an oven mitt, we take the wax out of the water and we pour it into the compartments of the egg carton. And into the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Let's check on these fire starters. They've been in the freezer for 3 or 4 hours, and these are looking great. They feel firm. Let's go give one a try in the backyard campfire place. Just tear it off, light the corner, and shove it into the sweet spot. And let's see how it does. This isn't exactly the driest wood, so this is good to try it out on. This has been out in the rain a few times. And look at that. That's looking great. Got ourselves a good start on an evening fire. Add a few more logs, stir this up a little bit. Happy fire building, everybody. See you next time.